Beaver.
Hello, welcome to the Creative Corner. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a fun, quirky rat stool. We're just going to get right into it because this is just so exciting. The very first thing you want to do is head on down into the jungle and find yourself the beast that you want to take down and rest your feet on. Alright, so tonight we're going for it. We're finally gonna take down the rat stool creature. I would never recommend venturing this deep into the wilderness unless you're extremely prepared. I've got my sun protection. Protects the back of my neck. I'm unshaven to show people that I've been in the wilderness, and I've got my tactical trousers and hiking boots. And most importantly, a little bit of PPE, personal practical equipment, in the form of weaponry. This is an X-Acto brand precision blade. Only top predators, top hunters use these. This is gonna get hot and wet real fast. Signing off. This might be the last time you see me. This is a very dangerous mission. Did I mention that? This is dangerous. Alright, this is really dangerous. Come with me, we're gonna venture through the wilderness. See what we can find. What is that? Gotta get away from that. I gotta put this down. We'll check back when we're in a safer place. The jungle's a very slippery place, and you're gonna want to know these tips and tricks before you go. Always remember, swing on the vines, don't trip over them, silly. And 2, always have your piece on you, because you never know when some tiger's gonna whip out theirs first. Here it is. We got one. We finally got one. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's a beauty. Next, we're going to take a big ol' hike down to our embalming room, where we're going to remove all those pesky innards and fluids so we can make it stay nice and the same forever. And once you've stuffed this with your stuffing of choice, there you go. You got yourself a fully functional, quirky, plush rat type stool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This has been the Creative Corner.